The transmission range sensor uses grounding to indicate which gear the transmission is in. When a certain gear is selected, a circuit is grounded, and the sensor detects this grounded circuit to determine the gear position. Parts of the circuit include the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, current limiting resistors, and sense lines. The transmission range switch contains a sliding contact, switch contacts, and a ground. The transmission range sensor, TRS, acts like a switch, connecting or disconnecting specific circuits to ground depending on the selected gear. When in park position, 3 circuits are shunted to ground, as shown: L range, D range, and P range circuits. When the selector is positioned in reverse, the L range, D range, and N range circuits are shunted to ground. When shifted into neutral, the current through the L range circuit is shunted to ground through the switch contacts. When the drive position is selected, the L, D, and R range circuits are active and shunted to ground in the TR sensor, as shown. When shifted to the intermediate position, the L, N, and R range circuits are active and shunted to ground. When the TRS indicates a shift to low, all circuits inside the transmission control module are shunted to ground. In summary, the transmission control module supplies current-limited battery voltage through resistors to the transmission range sensor. The transmission range sensor shunts the current to ground to indicate the transmission range position. Sense lines determine what circuits are pulled low. The transmission control module sends data to the engine control module over data circuits.